All right, so for another one of my favorite frozen go-to meals is this ground beef dish. You guys are gonna love this one. So what we begin with is we're gonna have our 96.4 ground beef. We're gonna have our asparagus. We're gonna have our chopped up mushrooms, our chopped up onions, our broccoli. We got two things of broccoli here. Then we're gonna have some spinach. We're gonna dice that up. And then last are some good tomatoes. So you notice there's a ton of vegetables in this one. To flavor it, we're gonna use some Worcestershire sauce. Sorry if I say it wrong, don't hold it against me. Our next one is gonna be our garlic lover, then our salt and our pepper, and of course, just to cook it all with is gonna be some avocado spray. Now this is the order to cook it in. So first things first, you're gonna take your avocado spray, spray the pan down, wait till it heats up just a little bit. Then you're gonna add in your ground beef. On top of the ground beef, I want you to put a little bit of the salt and pepper and the garlic powder. You're gonna wait on this guy just for a little bit. Then you're gonna add in your diced onions right here. In a separate pan, we're gonna sweat your asparagus, half the bag of your onions, your mushrooms, and your broccoli. Once these are sweated and they start to cook, then at the end, you're gonna add in your spinach and then the tomatoes. Then you're gonna go back as the meat is browning. You're gonna then put on top of it all your Worcestershire sauce. Then after all is done, you're gonna mix them both together, mix them all together, let it cook just a little bit more, and then you can put that on top of a bed of rice or just by itself, and it's super tasty, so enjoy. All right, so now this meal is done. Again, what you might see here is we're gonna see 6 different containers right here. When we started, the protein in this dish had enough protein to serve for 6 servings. So that's why we have 6 containers out front. Now, a couple of key things about this wonderful dish right here. One of my favorite things about this dish is you can use this at lunch, you can use this at dinner. Sometimes I even throw this one into my egg omelets. And it has my vegetables, it has my extra protein, so it's really great on that end. Also, when we meal prep, one of the most significant things about meal prepping that it gives to you is it drastically decreases your ability to get off plan. You really have a bigger ability to achieve your goals. It takes up less brain space. Also, it's always a little nicer on the wallet. And if you really dial in your time, this saves you so much time during the week because you just have it all planned out. You have more time just to focus on what you really want to focus on. Because you're saving money meal prepping, you can enjoy a little bit more things with your friends or your loved ones. And that's the best part about this. When you meal prep, you just have so much more time for everything else in your life. So I hope you enjoy these, and I'll talk to you soon.